Well, look, there are two separate issues. One is a leadership issue around Elon Musk and whether it would be better for him to have a second in command or a partner in command that would enable him to be the other person to be a public spokesperson for the company and have Elon focus on what he does extremely well, which is innovate and develop creative ideas. The second question, of course, is fundamentals. Is Tesla delivering on production goals? Is it able to meet its financial goals, which are to try and be net income and free cash flow positive? Those are the things that our investors are monitoring.
And what do you think on those latter financial points? What do you think? You've got a $325 price target. The stock is in the mid 280s right now.
Yeah, so in the near term, Tesla has said we believe we can be net income and free cash flow positive in the second half of this year. We think it's certainly possible that Tesla can do that. But I think what we're going to be looking for, and I think the investment community is going to be looking at, is how does Tesla get there? So we believe they can get there by reducing capital spending. We believe that they can get there by dramatically cutting operating expenses. So we think operating expense growth might only be 10% in the second half, while the top line grows more than 100%. We think they'll cut their cash conversion cycle. So there's certainly a way for them to get there. The question will then be, did they get there in a way that's sustainable? And that's really going to be the operative question once we see the results.
Tony, what do you make of Elon Musk's recent comments about delivery logistics hell? Is this something that investors should actually be looking at and going, oh, this is positive, they're actually getting some of these autos out to their customers? Or is this just one more sign that this is a company that potentially needs more folks in managerial and operating positions?
Yes, the delivery delays do worry me because it does feel like they are cutting back on hiring people in operating areas. So that's sales and marketing in particular. And that could be translating into some of the issues that Tesla is facing. When a company's growing at 100%, its infrastructure needs to ramp at 100%. And I think in a spirit to try and drive profitability, they may not be ramping it at the same rate. And hence you're seeing this disconnect between the company's growth profile and the company's ability to manage and deliver against that growth profile.
In 10 words or less, how big a threat is competition to this company from the likes of Audi or other luxury makers? Quick.
Not a very big threat.